right, garden update late in the day. Got some work done, computer work, until about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then came out and knocked out everything, reseeded. I got a second round of seeds down. God, it's a noisy dog. Got some of the older plants into the soil today, which is exciting. Again, bell peppers in the middle, tomato plant, tomato, rosemary. That is a strawberry. It's the basil rack. Mint. Got two racks up on the wall here, basil and mint. And I am seeding 3 other species of plants here. Some more cilantro and another round of tomatoes. I have a ton of tomatoes. We're just gonna see what comes out. Got these in small cups. I started the seeds out in some of these bigger pots. Just mix the seeds up on the surface, got it wet, got it going. And before these guys get too big, I'm using this fork to just separate them out in little chunks and then replanting them individually here. Some of them have 2 or 3 in there. One will eventually take over. We'll just clip the weakest out of there and leave the strongest one. Those were the Marglobes. All these tomatoes right here. We've got cilantro here, peppermint, jalapenos. I know that I'm gonna have to move those when they come out. And these are the Homestead tomatoes. Same deal, got a couple per pot. One of them's gonna take over and we'll just go with that one. Once they get a couple knuckles on the stem, we'll move them into the bed here. Give these guys time to root. Now this bed is tall, 17 inches from there, and soil is probably coming 14, 13 inches up. So there's a lot of soil in there, a lot of nutrients, but everything in that box is intended to be edible. I'll show you the blueberry bush. This thing loves it in this spot. We're probably gonna have to move this, but it's already got berries on it. It's gonna be nice to make pancakes there. Fresh blueberries here. Yeah, gonna like that. So got some more tomatoes down here. As you can see, some of these are still coming up. This one I've kind of dug through today. This one I haven't touched, but these are all still coming up. These are Marglobe tomatoes. This is one of Tristan's vines, and this is the blackberry. So one other thing that I'm thinking of doing, well, I'll leave that for another video right now. Here's the muscadine. This isn't a permanent location for the muscadine. It's just a place that works for now. We're eventually going to put that in the ground at some point. We're just figuring that out. So if you want to learn more, you want to see what we do with it, subscribe, check back, and watch some of those future videos because we're going to show you how. Thanks.